After a good night's sleep of soaking in the stars, just below the hermit's cabin in Margin Pass, we pack up our camp and head out even further through the vast west deserts of Utah. I didn't film much of this area just because I've covered this place before in another video. If you want to see that video, I will link it at the end of this one. It's called Know Before You Go. Just north of the Pony Express Trail, almost into Nevada, is an old ghost town called Goldhill. It was named after this hill right next to town, and yep, you guessed it, they found gold. Hey everybody, what's up? Well, I spared you guys the 4 hours of driving through the desert to get to this place. This is Goldhill, Utah. Look around a little bit, check it out, figure out some of the history, maybe. We'll see. Old safe. This is mercantile on the front of it. There's a spider web, so I'm not gonna go in there. So that's probably just a boiler or something. Little boiler room. So Goldhill's not officially a ghost town. It's a living ghost town. There's at least a few people that live up here still. But it doesn't look like any of the mining's still active. Somebody could still have claims, but it didn't look like anybody was working any mines. We'll go look at those next. This is the first time I've ever been here, so this is new. Odds are I'm gonna miss something. Gold was first discovered here in 1858, but the miners didn't move in until 1871, when the first smelter was built. The town of Goldhill was finally founded in 1892. Soon, the nearby mines started to fail, and Goldhill began to grow famous. Not only did it have gold, it also had silver, copper, lead, tungsten, and arsenic. In 1917, the Deep Creek Railroad made it to the town, and Goldhill quickly boomed, and arsenic turned into this town's main product. The government greatly needed the arsenic in the South to help control the pests in the cotton fields that supplied our military with clothes in the First World Conflict. Over 3,000 people lived and worked here. The town had stores, a school, a pool hall, and a newspaper. But soon, a cheaper supply of arsenic became available, and the town faded. The Second World Conflict reawakened this little town with the high demand for tungsten. Tungsten is used to make steel stronger and also used for electric filaments, such as light bulbs. But that didn't last long either. Soon the need for tungsten was gone, and the town faded again for the last time. In 1945, the ore bodies of Goldhill were considered exhausted, and that was the end of mining in Goldhill. A few people still live out here, maybe hoping to find just one more gold nugget. The post office operated from 1911 and closed its doors in 1949. Okay, we got another old mine right here. There's a little fire ring. You could camp right here if you want. It looks like they blocked this one off at one time, and then somebody broke into it. There's an old chair in there. Spooky. I will not be playing in the mines today. I don't have time. It's really hot. That mine didn't smell good either, like it had stale air. And these were arsenic mines, some of them. And arsenic is not good for you. I don't know how bad it is in the mine, but look, we got some ore. A little bit of copper. Some more copper. Cool. But this looked like it was a pretty busy place. There was definitely two old locations of like a stamp mill. I'll go fly the drone right now. There was one that looks really old and one that sort of looks newer, but they're both gone. They're both abandoned. The Goldhill Ghost Mines. Here's what's left of the newer mill. I think this one was built after the railroad came to town, because that's a lot of concrete. And to the left is a strange animal enclosure. I wonder what kind of animals were in there. Do you know? Leave a comment if you have any ideas. Here's a couple of old abandoned vehicles in the wash. This is definitely the site of the old mill. Just look at all the rock walls. Possible mine shaft right here. There's definitely an old ladder down there. This ghost town was suggested by a viewer. I'm so glad he told me about this place. I don't think I found everything, so I'm definitely going to have to come back here at some point. Well, I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.